morning went by very slowly for Ember. All she could think about was her at 2 months and 2 pounds. The general rule is fix. That is the kind of that line right before those behaviors start that we don't want. The spraying, those CT-729. Around the 5-month mark would be. Dogs are going to find a more varied opinion. There are a number of studies out there that recommend, based on the size of the breed of the dog, when they should be spayed or neutered. For larger breed dogs, they do recommend that you wait longer,